Okay, so we're at Wyndham's Great Smoky Lodge Resort, located in Sevierville, Tennessee. We're going to take a look at a 2-bedroom villa. This is Suite 6504. Okay, so when you walk into the room, the first thing you notice is it's very spacious. So you've got this nice large dining table and dining area that's out of the way. And then the kitchen itself is quite large. It has a really nice breakfast bar all the way around with some comfy high chairs so we can eat at the breakfast bar. You've got a full-size fridge, full-size oven and range, microwave, blender, toaster, coffee maker. You got your knife block, dishwasher, and let's see if they're stocked. Oh yeah, they are stocked. That's great. Now the living room itself is very large. You got a nice chair, 2 chairs, a great couch, nice fan for those hot evenings, and a nice large television. It's a great space. Now looking at the king bedroom, we've got a beautiful large king-size bed, great decor. And a nice large television in the room. The bathroom is really spacious. Got a nice spa tub with jets. Also a nice stand-up shower. Okay, so now we're gonna go check out the second bedroom. And another large screen television in here. And this room has a bathroom that could be shared with the main space, which has a nice large sink and countertop area. Another toilet. And another shower with standard tub. Now with the 2-bedroom suite, you also have a stackable laundry unit, so you have your washer and dryer available, which is really convenient. So overall, this is a gorgeous unit. It's very spacious, and it has everything you're gonna need to be really comfortable. Now we're gonna lastly look out at the balcony. And this is a pool view room. And because we're here in November, the pool has been transformed into a skating rink, and you're not going to see the lazy river and things like that for the outdoor portion of their water park because they've drained the water from it. So look how beautiful this is. We've got the skating rink right over here. Looks like there's little cafes here, possibly where you do your rentals and get some hot chocolate and things like that. Then as we pan across the area, we can see a portion of what would be the outdoor water park. And it looks like this area here would have been part of the lazy river, which has now been drained. But it is gorgeous. What a beautiful property. And the balcony itself is very large. You can easily get 4 or 5 people out here very comfortably. So that's a tour of the 2-bedroom villa in the Wyndham Resort, located in Sevierville, Tennessee. It's their Smoky Mountain Lodge.
Well, I hope you liked the tour. Bye!
Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate your support. Don't forget to tune in next week.